Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the NETVIP AC1200 dual-band Wi-Fi extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. First, plug the NETVIP AC1200 Wi-Fi extender into a wall outlet close to your router. Wait for the power LED light to turn solid. The device may take 20 to 40 seconds to fully boot. Keeping the extender close to the router during setup ensures a stable connection. Find the WPS button on your wireless router. The button may be labeled WPS or WPS/reset, or it may show the WPS symbol, 2 arrows forming a circle. Press the WPS button once. After pressing it, the router will remain in WPS pairing mode for about 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the NETVIP AC1200 extender. Press and release the button once. The WPS LED indicator will start blinking. The blinking light indicates that the extender is searching for the router. Now the extender will automatically connect to your router. During this process, the WPS light will keep blinking. The extender copies your router's Wi-Fi settings. This process usually takes 30 to 90 seconds. Once the connection is successful, the signal/WPS light becomes solid. The extender is now connected to your router. After setup, the extender will create a new Wi-Fi network. The network name may look like your Wi-Fi name_ext. Connect your phone, laptop, or smart devices to this network to enjoy better Wi-Fi coverage. Now this setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.